Okay. This is right behind my stand. Okay. I just heard something going through the woods 5 minutes ago. This is on my property. And then, now that's fresh. And then you can see prints here, like right here. And then we have some droppings, although they're pretty big. Okay. There's something in here. I heard it walking away. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not sure if it's a deer or a moose. Got some pretty big prints here, but some of that's mine. I was poking around here the other day. It's very, very thick in here. But I'm gonna take a chance.